Good morning, everyone. I'm Christina Divine Duwag, the host of this event. By the way, thank you to this campaign for inviting me, and thank you to all who joined this special campaign, Breathe Life, Not Smoke. Today, we stand together to raise awareness about the danger of smoking, protect the youth, and promote healthier lives. We can hear stories of hope, learn something from experts, and celebrate creative voices that gives a lesson to our lives, not a clouded smoke. Let this band to be your first step to move forward, to change, and a breath of fresh air that gives importance to our future. Before we begin this event, it is my honor to introduce the leaders who are committed to empower the youth, support this event, and advocating a healthier lifestyle that makes this event more powerful and meaningful. Please welcome the Mayor of Barangay, a voice of change, the one and only Honorable Mayor Benjamin Sibuma.
Magandang umaga sa inyong mga Ringenyos. Buong puso akong nagpapasalamat na maging bahagi sa kampanyang Breathe Life, Not Smoke. Sa simpleng event na ito, nagpapakita tayo ng malasakit para sa ating kalusugan. To our youth ay para mas magandang kinabukasan. Tayo ay sama-samang kumilos at itaguyod ang smoke-free, hindi lang dito sa Ringay kundi sa buong Pilipinas. Ngunit mas mabuti na rin kung buong mundo, dahil hindi lang ito para ipagbawal ang smoking, para rin ito sa ating kalusugan. We need to live healthy than smoking. Thank you so much to you all. Nga pala, let's welcome the one that give us more information about the importance of this event. The one and only Dr. Anton Abdul.
Good afternoon, Naimbag na Malo. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat, Karingay. Bago ko simulan ang aking sasabihin, nais ko munang magpasalamat kay Mayor Benjamin Sibuma and of course, to all of you, thank you. Bilang isang doktor, karangalan na magsalita about sa usaping pangkalusugan. Ang sigarilyo. Alam niyo ba na 7,000 chemical mahigit ang meron sa sigarilyo? And many of them are toxic and cancer-causing. Nakakalungkot man isipin na dahil sa paninigarilyo, maraming buhay ang naapektuhan. Pero may pag-asa pa. Dahil sa pamamagitan ng pagtigil ng cigarettes para sa simula at mas healthy na buhay. Ang campaign na ito ay hindi lang para sa inyo, hindi lang para sa akin, kundi para sa ating lahat, especially to those who use cigarettes. Let's spread awareness. Let's spread awareness, support each other, and remind ourselves that clean air provides a bright future. Maraming salamat sa inyong pakikinig. Let's protect our lungs, loved one, for a better future. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Doc, for the lesson you give. We will make sure that we will protect our health. Also, thank you for coming to this event. We appreciate it. However, the staff at this event will perform. They will give us a lesson by acting. So, we need to watch and learn, and I hope all of us will gain a lesson from their performance. Let's welcome the actors, Bien, Jason, Carl, and Benson. A round of applause for them, please.
Magandang umaga, pre.
Ang aga-aga, naninigarilyo ka na naman.
Yan talaga pre, ito na nakasanayan eh.
Samayan sa kalusugan mo, kaya kung ako sa'yo, tayo ay maghanap na lang ng trabaho.
Nakakatalabot naman yan pre. Ito na ako tatambay at mag-POC.
Sige, ikaw bahala, basta sinabihan na kita.
Okay, pre.
Sige, boy, ingat. Bakit ka naman ay pre? Kung nakinig ka lang sana sa akin, buti sana pareho na tayo mayaman ngayon. Tara na pre, mayaman. Big bata, ilang taon ka na? 15 years old po. Masama yan, kung ayaw matulad sa kaibigan ko, tigil mo na yan. Ano?
Thank you so much for the wonderful performance. You give us a lesson by your performance. So, tapusin natin ang bisyo kung ayaw mong magperwisyo. Take note of that, guys. That all of us are hungry. Kaya ang ating mayor ay nag-provide for foods for us to eat. Kaya, the staff will pull the foods. While the staff ay nagbibigay ng foods, let's meet the next guest of this event. He's here also to raise awareness. Let's welcome our next guest. Also known for his name, Tanggol, which is the Batang Shop. Let's welcome Coco Martin from ABS-CBN.
Maraming salamat po dahil bahagi ako ng programang ito. Awareness tungkol sa bad effect of smoking sa ating kalusugan. Nais kong sabihin na sana mas mabuting itigil ang paninigarilyo. Ito ay hindi nakakatulong, kundi ay nakatulong sa ating kalusugan. Dahil ito ay mas nakakasama sa atin. Pati na rin ang ating pamilya at ang ating mundo. Kung mahal natin sila, hindi na natin ng hindi magandang gawain. Love ourselves, our earth, love our life, and love our family. Stop smoking. Once again, thank you very much for inviting me for this event.
Thank you so much for a beautiful speech, Coco Martin. You give us a reminder for a bright future. Magugustuhan nyo rin ba ang susunod na guest? Isang singer na magbibigay ng essential lesson by singing and dancing. He will sing and dance with backup dancer and singers. Let's welcome the one and only Arthur Neri.
Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Ako nga pala si Arthur Neri at ako ay kakanta at sasayaw ang aking mga backup dancer.
I got this feeling inside my lungs. I don't have cancer or bronchitis, nothing else. Because I don't smoke, I can live long. And I'm so healthy, I'm so proud that I don't smoke. Smoking causes such diseases like a gangrene heart attack. We're so healthy cause we don't smoke, so don't try. Smoking causes such diseases like a gangrene heart attack. We're so healthy cause we don't smoke, so don't try.
Sana ay may natutunan kayo sa aming performance ngayon. Sana maging reminder ito sa inyo na ang pagsisigarilyo ay nakakasama sa ating kalusugan. Yun lang.
Thank you so much, Arthur Neri and the others for beautiful performance. The powerful lesson is there by your moves and voices. Did you all guys enjoy this event? I hope you all did. However, thank you for all of you by joining this event. Special thank you for Mayors, Gwen, Duma, and Phil, who made this event meaningful and memorable. Thank you so much. Together, we spark awareness, shared courage, and chosen life are over addiction. Let's carry the message to our life every day. Sa bawat nga may bagong pag-asa. Maraming salamat and May we continue to breathe life, not